In terms of production, Industry 4.0 means for ABM papst, process optimization, process control, and transparency. This will be shown at typical product manufacturing. Once the order for a product is placed, the initial data are already recorded and automatically distributed to the relevant systems. Based on the product requirements, the routing through production is defined at this time. To control and document the production process of a fan, the product must be able to be identified at any time. To facilitate this, each relevant unit must be labeled with a unique serial number. Through bidirectional communication between the machine and our manufacturing execution system SAP ME, the labeling work step is verified against the mandatory production routing. After successfully completing the labeling process, the printed circuit board is released for the next work step. The PCB first runs through one of our fully automated SMT assembly lines. These machines are also connected to the digital production flow. Prior to assembly, the machines independently request all necessary order information and machine-specific parameters using the serial number on the PCB. Besides the work step, batch documentation for all SMT components is additionally recorded here. Important process data are booked during the production process and archived long-term. SAP ME supports production processes across all plants and locations. While the products are being physically transported to the subsequent production plant, all production-related data are transferred at the same time. Building on the results of the work steps already completed, the routing continues with manual assembly. In the process, the flexible work sequences in sequential assembly are dynamically allocated to the line control system for each workpiece carrier. The act of scanning the serial number digitally starts up each process and completes it after assembly. Quality gates can be integrated and monitored in the form of defined inspection steps within the production process. For this product, quality assurance requires an automated optical inspection with a subsequent in-circuit test. Changes in the target routing can be flexibly made in the MES using drag and drop. Regardless of the production site, our Industry 4.0 solutions rely on globally standardized methods and services. Active process control helps to identify and avoid deviations in real time. In the process, both stationary as well as mobile graphic interfaces are used for modern human-machine interaction. Following the Poka-Yoka principle, SAP ME ensures that only appropriate components are assembled. With the goal of continuous traceability, in addition to the process check, an assembly history evolves by joining individual components. In this case, the electronics to the final product. Once the customer-specific product label is attached, the former leading serial number used in the production process is replaced by the final serial number. SAP ME ensures continuous traceability from the final product to the batch of each recorded component. The final functional test can only be performed as soon as all previous work steps have been successfully completed. Once this quality gate has been passed, this product has run through all process-related work steps and can be delivered. The data of the product, processes, and machines generated and documented in the production process are analyzed and help to continuously improve existing production processes and develop new methods. The virtual packing function represents the bridge between production and logistics. Virtual containers are generated in the ME system in accordance to the ERP packing instructions. Final products with a good inspection rating are entered into a virtual container. Performing a target actual comparison with the actual package contents ensures that only accurate final products are packed in the container. Using container-based confirmation, the connection between the finished products and the internal handling unit of the ERP system is being created. This specific package number is linked with a delivery to the customer. Today, Industry 4.0 is already a reality at IBM Papst.